this video, I'll show you how you can fix EA Launcher is not launching games. First step is you want to come here and search for EA Launcher, right click on it and open file location. Once you find the EA Launcher, you want to right click on it, properties, compatibility, run this program as an administrator and OK. Now try and launch it and see if it works. If this still doesn't work, what you can do is you can come here and search for run, type in % local app data %, press OK, and in here you should have two folders, one called EA Desktop and the other called Electronic Arts. You want to select them and you want to delete, and don't worry, it's going to regenerate itself when we open it, so just delete these and right click and empty the recycle bin. Once you've done that, you want to come here and search for View, Advanced System Settings, Environmental Variables. If you have something in here called Game Data and User Variables, you want to select it and delete. If you don't have it, you can just close this one down again. After this, you want to come here and search for Date and Time Settings, and you want to make sure that you have Set Time Automatically on. Once you've done all of this, restart your PC and now it should hopefully work. Otherwise, what you can do is you can reinstall the EA and then install it back. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.